738 Charlie Yankee over Lone Mountain at 3,500, climbing to 6,000. We're gonna go to the water tanks.
I have a passion for flying. I'm currently working towards my pilot's license and want to be a professional pilot. So naturally, when it came time for my 8th grade science project, I wanted it to relate to my flying. I decided to determine how much lift different sized airplane wings generate. To do this, I needed a wind tunnel, so I sketched out my plans to build one. We had a 3D printing company fabricate the wings. I wrote a list of materials for the wind tunnel, and we headed out to Home Depot. We cut the base and one side out of plywood. We then drilled a hole for the vacuum attachment along with several holes for screws. We made the other sides out of plexiglass and cut an aluminum rod for the wings to slide up and down on. It was pretty cool. To generate the wind, we reversed the hose on a shop vac and attached it to the tunnel. Then I loaded the wings and turned the vacuum on. I used the fog machine to make the airflow visible. One by one, I measured the terminal height of each wing. The small yellow wing was completely unstable and harder to measure. I found the second smallest white wing flew the highest, at 2 inches. The largest blue wing flew the lowest, at 1 1/4 inches. Lastly, I summarized my entire project on this huge poster board. I hope I get a good grade. Thanks for watching.